Covering your greenhouse or high tunnel with a big piece of plastic can be a real challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a 6 mil 20 foot by 100 foot piece of plastic and stretch it over the greenhouse or high tunnel. Then I'll show you how to make really cheap clips so you can safely clip the plastic to the frame. Then we'll go over the technique on how to get this large piece of plastic clipped onto a long pole and pull it completely over our structure made out of electrical conduit. Well, let's go through some of the details on how to do this. So you can pick this 6 mil plastic up at any Lowe's or Home Depot. Now just roll it out onto the ground right next to the greenhouse. Then we need to attach one end of the plastic onto this conduit. We'll use 1/2 inch conduit with 1/2 inch straight conduit connectors to make a big long piece. Then we're going to make low-cost C-channel connectors and connect the plastic to the conduit so it won't tear. These homemade C-channel connectors, with a pair of needle nose, you can just spread it out and push them right into place. You want to attach your plastic with these C-channels so you don't put any holes in your plastic at all. Once you have the one side of your plastic connected to your pole, it'll be time to tie string to this pole. After that, we're going to take the other end and throw the end to the other side of the greenhouse. We'll send over about 5 strings. Then slowly and in control, carefully pull the plastic until you have it in the position you want it. Once you have it into position, go ahead and put your C-channels and clip your plastic into place. A low-cost way to make these C-clips, take this 1/2 inch irrigation pipe and just cut off 3 inch pieces. Notice there's a slit all the way down this tube. We did this with a utility knife. Then to make these clips a little easier to put on, just cut the corners off to chamfer the edges so they slip on better. These connectors fit 1/2 inch pipe really nice, but you can get them to fit 3/4 pipe as well. So I hope you enjoyed the process of putting a very large piece of plastic onto our greenhouse frame. Well, if you did find the video interesting, or at least entertaining, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.